Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, the recycle bin on C is corrupted. Do you want to empty the recycle bin for this device? Open File Explorer. Click View. Click Options. Click View tab. Check Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Uncheck Hide Protected Operating System Files. Click Yes to continue. Click Apply, OK. Open the drive, that shown error. Right-click, $recycle.bin folder. Click Delete. Click View. Click Options. Click View tab. Revert back all changes. Click Apply, OK. Restart your computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.